Containers have gained significant popularity in the architecture world. Their straightforward assembly, adaptability, and affordability make them ideal for various uses. Both 10-foot and 20-foot containers are well suited for offices, homes, warehouses, and shops. Recognized for their robust steel structure, they can handle weights of up to 28 tons. The interior of these containers can be customized to meet specific needs. This includes adding bathrooms, installing air conditioning units, or setting up glass display cases. This construction method has proven its value. For example, in Warsaw, over 130 containers have been set up, spanning a total area of 2,000 square meters. These containers truly represent the buildings of the future. There's no denying their potential. Let me know if this works or if you'd like any changes. Craftsmac Labs Masonry Robot. A bricklaying robot created by the Craftsmac Labs Engineering Center is currently in its final testing stage. This robot has been designed from the ground up, featuring advanced technologies specifically tailored for the construction industry. One of its standout features is its compact design and high mobility, which allow it to move in any direction. Its ability to handle different loads makes it an invaluable helper on construction sites. The robot's impressive load-to-weight ratio enables it to perform complex tasks efficiently while consuming minimal energy. As part of its testing, Craftsmac Labs even had the robot paint walls, and it delivered fantastic results. It may not be long before houses are built without any human assistance, thanks to innovations like this. FATRASTEP. FATRASTEP multifunctional tiles are made through injection molding and provide a versatile and practical solution for different surfaces. They are easy to lay down on any flat area and can be connected using special fasteners. These tiles are ideal for decks, balconies, pergolas, areas around swimming pools, gardens, and camping sites. Made from durable polypropylene material, they can withstand temperature changes and UV rays. Installation is straightforward and requires no special tools, as the parts are mechanically fastened. Maintenance is simple as well. You can sweep, clean, or even hose them down. Each 30 by 30 centimeter tile weighs 3.5 kilograms, making them a practical and convenient choice for various applications. TuffBlock. It might surprise you, but TuffBlock plastic blocks can actually replace traditional foundations. They are versatile enough to build decks, walkways, and even doghouses. With TuffBlock, there's no need to dig holes or pour concrete. Each block can support up to 770 kilograms, while weighing only 0.7 kilograms. TuffBlock is designed to work with beams that have a cross-section of 9 to 10 centimeters. The block sits 5 centimeters off the ground, providing stability and protection against moisture. Made from recycled plastic, TuffBlock is an eco-friendly option. Each block is priced at $265. Additionally, container construction has gained popularity recently. FIRETEX FX7002. FIRETEX FX7002 is a thin film coating designed to protect steel structures from fire in modern construction projects. This solvent-based product offers up to 2 hours of fire protection and works well for both hidden and exposed steel elements. The coating is easy to apply thanks to its simple composition, it's also impact resistant, has low VOC content, and meets all international standards. Plus, FIRETEX FX7002 provides corrosion protection, helping structures last longer. Not in vain, it's already used at airports, stadiums, hospitals, warehouses, hotels, and in industrial and pharmaceutical facilities. Let me know if further edits are needed. Vemaventuri TEMO. Cut costs and improve efficiency with TEMO, a state-of-the-art concrete temperature control system. This technology allows you to monitor the mixture strength in real time, preventing thermal cracking and making it easier to fine-tune mixtures to reduce their carbon footprint. With TEMO, foundation sets 30% faster, speeding up the construction process and saving valuable time. The system uses sensors that collect and send data continuously, eliminating the need for traditional destructive tests, such as cutting cement cubes and sending them to a lab. The data is transmitted wirelessly, so the supervisor doesn't have to be on site to track the progress. All relevant information is sent directly to a computer or phone, enabling remote monitoring. Harvest Pillar. Harvest Pillar offers an innovative solution for modern orchards and vineyards. These sturdy structures can handle mechanical harvesting and bear loads. They can even bend under a tractor without issue. The trellises come in lengths ranging from 2 to 3 meters and can be up to 10 centimeters in diameter. They help farmers save money because they last 10 times longer than wooden or metal models. Plus, they don't rust and aren't affected by pests. Their durability comes from a simple mix of cement, gravel, sand, water, and air, creating a material that's highly wear-resistant. The flexibility of the trellis is achieved thanks to the steel rods at the base. Needless to say, strong winds and snow won't be a problem. Naturbo Ceiling Heating. Naturbo Ceiling Heating offers an innovative and efficient way to warm your space, proving that heating doesn't always need to come from the floor. These ceilings not only provide warmth, but can also reduce heating costs by up to 18%. The system is equipped with an insulating layer that can be up to 7 centimeters thick, enhancing its energy efficiency. Thanks to the integrated heating pipes, warmth begins spreading just 5 minutes after activation. In addition to heating, Naturbo ceilings offer excellent sound insulation due to a combination of clay plaster and soft wood fibers. The creators claim that the system helps reduce stress, contributing to a peaceful, worry-free environment in your home. Moreover, the system is versatile. It can also be used for cooling. On hot days, cold water flows through the pipes, creating a natural air conditioning effect that keeps your space comfortable year-round. Doka Edge Protection System. Safety should always come first on construction sites, and the Doka Edge Protection System XP is designed to do just that. This system helps prevent falls from roofs, stairs, balconies, and other hazardous areas. Constructed from hot-dip galvanized metal, all parts are durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting reliability and performance. The Doka Edge Protection System XP is easy to set up thanks to its easy-click technology. Allowing quick and secure assembly. The standard railings are 1.2 meters tall, but for projects that require additional height, extensions are available to raise the railings up to 1.8 meters. Special adapters and clips ensure everything stays securely in place. For a bit of extra promotion, you can even customize the protective grating with your company's logo, adding a touch of branding to your construction site. After all, a little advertising never hurts. To ensure tiles securely adhere to a heated floor, we recommend using the flexible DILEX-F movement joint profile. Each profile is 2.5 meters long, and the rigid side parts are made from recycled PVC, featuring a replaceable silicone insert that comes in 10 colors. This insert helps absorb tile vibrations, enhancing the longevity of the installation. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly. DILEX stands up to temperature changes, won't warp during use, and visually blends seamlessly with tile joints. The manufacturer highlights that this system works especially well when paired with finishing materials from the same brand. FIRETEX